Hello, I'm going to compare AnyDesk versus TeamViewer. Which remote desktop solution is better? So AnyDesk provides a central management console to make oversight and management of session data pain-free, interactive access, remotely take control of a user's mouse and keyboard to deliver solutions as swiftly as possible. Also unattended access devices remotely via password without the need for manually accepting a request, mobile device management, AnyDesk offers support for both Android and iOS devices. Client customization. Customize your AnyDesk environment to reflect your personal identity or brand. Permission management. With full control over the access you give to others, you can allow or deny access to your keyboard or mouse if desired. UltraViewer is designed to save time and avoid repetition. Smart Chat provides useful messages, prompts based on your chat history and typing patterns. File transfers with the functionality to transfer large files up to 8 gigabytes. UltraViewer makes it easy to move files between machines without exiting the software. Remote activation. UltraViewer's software makes it possible to remotely activate machines currently in sleep mode without needing to physically access the machine. Online contact. By adding customers to your UltraViewer contact book, technicians can easily re-access machines without needing to input IDs and passwords time after time. Also, it has audio sharing. And sometimes you need to do more than just see. UltraViewer supports audio sharing, making a range of technical support tasks easier to complete.